All right, let's explore how to use the snow day calculator. First, you're going to want to get that form that you can share with your students. You're going to make a copy of this form that belongs just to you. Once you have made a copy of that form, you're going to want to send that. You can share that form with your students, with your school, with your community, whoever you'd like to share that to. You can get a link that you can share. You can share it directly via email, lots of different options for sharing a Google form. Once you've shared that form, you're going to start getting results. When you get some responses, you're going to want to make a sheet, a spreadsheet, which will allow you to copy and paste those results into the analyzer, into the calculator. So your results will look something like this. It'll give everybody's score for the hype, the impact, the timing, the intangibles, and their name, along with a timestamp. You're going to want to copy and paste all of those results into the calculator. So first we copy them, edit copy, and then we go to the calculator. We make our very own copy of that calculator. I like to give it a name based on the date. So you can see I was using one that I did on November 18 of 2022 right here as the sample. So I like to just give it a name. Sometimes Google Sheets is a little slow. Let's see. Let's pretend that it is December 17 of 2022. Now I can remember in my Google Drive what this file is. And then I'm going to paste the results right in here. You can go edit, paste. I like to do Control V, just a little quicker. And once you have pasted all these results in, it's going to run some calculations and it will give you a couple things. First of all, it will give you the chance of a snow day. That's based on the average score for hype, impact, timing, and intangibles, all added up and then processed using a proprietary formula. It will also give you your MVP results over here in the blue. Now, again, this is how close people came to the average prediction for each of those categories. So you can see that the average prediction for hype was 7. So anyone who guessed a 7 was right on. If they guessed an 8 or a 6, they were off by 1. If they guessed a 9 or a 5, they were off by 2. So they got that many points. And the point of this game is to have as few points as possible because you want to be as close to those average scores as you can. And so you can see over here, we had a couple of people whose score was 1.8. They were in first place. We had 3 people whose score was 2.3. They were tied there for third place. And this encourages people to really think not just about what they think, but about what other people might think as well, which tends to give a really accurate projection of whether or not you're going to have a snow day or not. So by sending that form and then copying and pasting the results, you can help your students think about averages using whatever math is appropriate for you and for your grade level. You can analyze